Pandit Fakir.
Satyababu, you are welcome to Om Shanti.
How dangerous is your evil friends?
Evil friend, and that friend may be your husband, your wife, or your children. Satyababu, evil means ignorant, irresponsible, careless. They don't know what they are thinking, they don't know what they are speaking, but they blast like atom bomb. And that firing and the aggression of that blast is so dangerous. It blow you off. It gives you such a terrible shock of some millions of volt of AC current. Shock. They are most dangerous people. Understand?
Yes.
That's why छाड़िमन हरि बुमखन के संग जाके संग कुबूजी जाते हैं परत भजन में भंग छाड़िमन हरि बुमखन के संग सूरदास की काली कामरी चढ़त न दूजो रंग छाड़िमन हरि बुमखन के संग. Bimkhan means मूर्ख, fool. Most of the time, Tulsi said, ढोल गमार शूद्र पशु नारी ये सब हैं तारन के अधिकारी. Means there are 4 items. ढोल means dhava dhab dhava dhol. Mridangam, then sound comes. That is only dhol. Gamar means uneducated, illiterate, irresponsible. What we are talking, evil. Don't know what to talk, what to speak, or how to act, how to behave. Nothing. Just firing. Whatever they want. Do no thinking. Just firing. Because they are in the fit of anger. Their mind gets fused off and they start blowing. Irresponsible. Gamar is that. Dhol, Gamar. Sudra. Sudra means uneducated. Sudra means earlier, the Varna system. Sudra means we have not got education. Not a school education. Kabir Das has no school education, but he was as great as Buddha. Buddha has no school education. Because you see, education is full realization of truth, thinking, observing, and realizing what is good and what is bad. You understand? Yes. Education doesn't mean school. Means they have never used their brain. They are like a cattle. They have everything as cattle does. They eat, they sleep, they have sex, they have progenition, procreation, but they never try to understand what is life. They never learn life. That is Sudra. Because they use manual man. An animal doesn't do manual.
Yes.
They don't use mental because mind is there with these Sudras. They never use the mind. And one of the greatest Sudra was, as per the Indian mythology, Indian Varna system, Ambedkar. Ambedkar. He was Sudra as per their definition. He was born in a Harijan family. What Gandhi said Harijan means low grade, no education, nothing. Luckily, Ambedkar's father was a Sipahi soldier in British army. So he got the Latining influence of the British. So he wanted education is important. So he put his son in education because influenced by the British army. Speak out, man.
Influenced by the British Army.
So he was not a Sudra.
Yes.
He migrated from Sudra to the higher Brahmana. Brahmana means learning, education. There was a migration that time. Varna. Again see deviation it is. Sudra.
Shudra, Gamar,
Sudra.
Shudra.
Listen, sir. Sudra, Kasta, Sudra, Kasta, Kshatriya,
Kshatriya.
Brahman. Brahman, Kshatriya, Sudra, Vaishya.
Vaishya.
You understand? So he migrated. So tell Satya, he was right. It is very difficult to get tortured by this man. There is a very nice and noble person, very wise man. He was running from temple to temple. Once he went to Kashi and he was puckering lingam of Mahadeva. Lingam, lingam, Sivram lingam, Krodham tiskandi lingam, Naki chala Krodham mustandi lingam. He's a great man. He never loses patience. But Socrates says, if you have an evil wife, she will torture you so much in your life that you will become immune. So that man was asking immunity. Give me that much of what Modi says. Once there is torture, once there is full negative pressure on you, then what you should do? Raise your patience and tolerance to such a limit that the poison of the torture become ineffective. And that man was taking lingam, lingam, mahalingam, swamam lingam. Give me patience. Because Mahadev had so much patience. Even he can digest poison. but he kept the poison in his throat. That's why Nilkanta. So Sati Babu, Chanakya said, a snake will bite you, but only when your death is there. A snake doesn't bite every time. You see a lot of snakes we are meeting. But once death is there, there has to be some reason, cause how the person is dead. Accident on the road, a snake bite, or any kind of fire, tsunami, plane crash, helicopter crash, because there has to be some cause, not the person dies. So Chanakya said, once a snake bites you, it means your death has come, because your time is over. But evil, what you say, your wife, your husband, your children also, because they are in close proximity. They are a snake sitting on your chest, and they will bite you here, they will bite you here, they will bite you here. Most painful. You understand? Regarding the children, there is a great sloka. A child is not born, very painful. Speak of, a child is born,
Child is born,
but he dies.
he dies.
Again painful. First, child is not born,
Child is not.
painful. You have no child. If child is now born and died, it's painful because you lost your children. Then, a child is born and he becomes arrogant, irresponsible, murkha. Most painful. Throughout your life you will torture. Not born, painful. Born and dies, painful. But born and survive and become demon. Oh, most painful throughout your life. बड़ा वंश कबीर का
Janmaput Kamal.
कट कर दे